Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to open the Instagram mobile app and it shows switch to Instagram Lite. This version of Instagram is no longer supported. Google Play is the easiest way to get Instagram Lite. You can also get it by downloading an APK directly to your device. And in bottom it shows two options. Get it on Google Play and download directly. So why this notification showing up? And this is only occurs if you install the older version of Instagram mobile app, which means that here I using the Instagram app version of 6.15.0. But in few days back, this Instagram released its new update and the updated version is 282. So you can compare the older version as well as newer one. So due to this reason, it shows that kind of notification. So anyway, if you like to overcome this issue, just follow me friends. And here I show the two methods to overcome this notification. And the first method is just close this older version of Instagram mobile app and simply long press on the tab icon and go to app info. So here I try to access app permissions and click to disable all the access permissions. And also don't forget to clear the tab caches. So after you done these processes and then try to launch the older version of Insta mobile app. So I hope this first method maybe works for some users, but if maybe this trick not works for you, just try the second one. So by simply open your Google Play Store and then search Instagram and finally click to update your older version of app into new one. So once the update process is completed and then try to launch your Instagram. So friends, if both of the two methods are works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. And also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, TechOns, and thanks for watching.